This face shield is imperfect. As you can see, it likes to just fall forward the slightest movement. I will look into tightening it up another time. Okay, come on. And that's perfect. See where that falls? It's a little tiny little bit higher than I wanted, but I can take it down further easier than building it back up. And I did not significantly go in. Yeah, no, really. That pass I took was insignificant. Okay, now I want some more width. I've got my depth. I want a little more width. Okay. So that's width here. Just let's get her loose. I need to pull this over. Need to pull this over, then do the fine adjust with this. Okay. Just come on. Why ain't I coming? What's the problem? Oh. I got a little cutout in there. Okay, so I'll bring you back to here. Put these things in the middle when you're going to fiddle with them. Okay, so give it a light touch. So the fulcrum will be here. Put it over here. Can't be that way, gotta be that way. Ooh boy. Okay, I'm going for what I think is about half of what I need. Flawed design. There we go. Thanks, David. Okay, that's I believe roughly half of what I want to go, and I'm trying to ease my way in. Okay, everything the same as before. Zoot. There we go. Get that dust out of the way. A small flaw there. Hopefully it's not a big one. Notice that moved. Dummy. Moved a lot. There. Remember, I barely tightened it. I should have tightened it. Okay, and you tight. And oh, not enough. Shit. Well, I do the fine adjustment over here. Oh, baby. I think that'll do it. Okay, I think that'll be good. Trial and error. Nice. Ooh, yeah, baby doll. Ooh, yeah. Nice. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Coming right in. Okay, so that's that last 1/8 of an inch that I need now. Last one. Makes me think I should measure it. But I'm hard-headed. So is there a way not to measure it? Generally speaking, not having to measure and transcribe, oh, you know, this line to that line. If you can line your parts up without having to measure and transfer measurements, usually is a good thing. Oh, I see how to do that. Okay. Yeah, I want the width of this. Unplug. Yeah, I'm about to touch the blade itself. Okay, so I got the blade lined up that way. And what I want is the exact width of the blade. Oh, I'm going to be able to do it. Yeah, baby. I'm going to be able to do just that. Oh, this is pretty cool. I'm liking this. All right, I probably went a hair over it, which is fine. You can see I've got a design flaw here with this little adjuster. Well, we can let go of that for now. There we go. Now it's tight. You still tight? Yes. Double check it. I'm probably 2 or 3 thousandths of an inch further over, which that's fine. Oh yeah, it's so close. It's not worth playing with. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That little tiny bit is actually good. All right, good. Okay, last cut. What do they say? Last call for alcohol. All you alcoholics. Done my share of alcohol. This old body rejected it. So you gotta stop doing that. All right, yes sir. Because I do like getting lit. All right. We got one more pass. Well, those little slivers are a pain in the ass. And I like my line. Everything's looking good. Okay, here we go. See what we got. See what we got. Come on, baby, be nice. Ooh, I like it. Oh, yes, I do. I like it. Yeah, baby. Okay. That's it for tonight, guys. Oh, no. That's almost it for tonight. Now, I'm going to take that off tomorrow with the table saw. Trouble is I can't do a true test. Can I? all gets in the way. Test it on the bad end. But still, I think it's a valid test. Alright, so that's the tighten all the way down. That's a touch higher than I really want. But the bottom line, you want that thing up. You notice how the chips get in the way? That's why there's this slot over here. See that slot there? That's so the chips don't get in the way. And I think this is acceptable. The bottom line is the bottom of this needs to be above the top of the thinnest material you're going to put in this saw. I don't think I'm going to put stuff that thin in this saw, so I think I'm going to leave it there. Okay. All right, there we go. Fence. So what this fence needs now, oh, let's do that. Let's take this off. And let's mark what needs to be cut off tomorrow. I'm purposely hanging it off a little bit right now. Describe a nice line. Now I'll move it over to hanging off there. Ooh, it's moving a little bit funky. I don't like that, but it's not going to hurt anything. So there's my line. I need to cut. So you put a little X on it. Ooh, so how am I going to do that? I don't have a straight edge on here. Ooh, shit. This is the straight edge. I've been reading about how to do stuff like this. Guess it's time to grow up. I gotta make a little temporary fence or something. Yeah, just this is gonna be a nice challenge for me. Now, I could just cheat and run a hacksaw down there. But no, I'm gonna learn how to do this with the table saw. Cool. Cool. It's gonna be a challenge. Tune in next time. I think that's me tonight, guys. I got my line. I got to figure out how to cut to it. Will be an interesting challenge because all of this is wampus, and so is this. These were not meant to be straight. That was straight. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I was a little on the wise side. Okay. I made sure this and this were below this, so this is square. So when I put this on, yes, okay, I'm good. Okay, I thought ahead. Yeah, see, that's below and that's below because this is straight enough to cut that off nicely. Cool. We'll do that tomorrow. Okay. First book. Goodbye. Thank you, everybody. End the live video. Live video is ending. Okay, you're number 1, you're number 2. Time to say goodbye to number 2. Okay. Goodbye.